Hey, Remarkable Lifers, this is KJ, and Craig is out of town. He just left like a couple days ago, and so while the cat's away, no, I'm actually getting ready to go to the our 2025 LGBTQIA Christmas party. So this is like a once a year event, and it's a really, really cool thing. It kind of started because every month there is an LGBTQIA dinner that's put together by Tony Lancy and a whole bunch of other people really get involved, but he really spearheads this thing. And it goes to it's at different restaurants, and it's a lot of fun. And it's just a way for our community to get together once a month and have dinner and socialize and all that kind of stuff. Well, for Christmas, it's become a kind of an appetizer, open bar kind of a party. And it's a ticketed event, and it's usually at some beautiful home here, Lakeside, and everybody goes and has a really, really good time. And every year we're asked to film it and put together a video to wish everybody out there a happy holidays and show you how amazing the community is here. And so now, through the power of Christmas magic, let's go talk to some people at the party and see what they think about the party itself and the community here at Lakeside. So I want to tell you about the community here, the LGBTQIA community here in Lakeside, specifically the Ajijic area. In the past couple of years, the community here has grown exponentially. I mean, there are so many amazing, wonderful people who live here now, who are part of our community. And don't forget, the A in that LGBTQIA means ally. Y'all are just as important. Y'all are part of the community. You're just as important as everybody else. And so please don't ever forget that. We love our allies. Y'all are brothers, sisters, everything, all of it. You're part of us. Tell me what you love about Ajijic.
The weather, the community.
What is it about the community you love?
They're fabulous. Just warm and loving. Welcoming.
There you go.
There you go.
It's diversity and it's inclusion.
Gosh, I love the community because it is such an accepting society. It is totally different from the United States. The atmosphere here is free. There's not this heavy gloom where you have to worry about who people are or what they're thinking and have to be necessarily politically correct.
The community.
It's okay.
I met my husband, my boyfriend, my other boyfriend, and my other boyfriend. And yes,
I love living in IE because of Henry.
everything.
And I love living in Ajijic because this is a wonderful freaking community.
It really
It really is.
It really is.
This is like a big family is what
It
It's
is.
a big bunch of drunks.
Big
And here's the guys who are Cola de Gallo.
But they all dance. They're
Yeah.
all
And why do you guys love having a business in Ajijic?
You know what, it is the community. I agree with that 100%. We have great people that come.
Why do you love us?
We love seeing it. You have to say,
Not that on your side. Don't encourage it.
Why do I love the community here? Because everyone is super friendly and everyone acts like they know each other as soon as you meet them. Everyone's super friendly. The weather is the best. And then there's Craig and KJ. You can't miss them. They're awesome people. Cheers.
Hi! I love these guys. Happy Hanukkah. Tomorrow starts. All of you light the candles and pray for peace and joy.
Merry Christmas to all the truly remarkable people here in Lakeside.
Aplauso. Bravo.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Susan Timney, and this is Linda Cretlow, and we're part of High Street Station Catering in San Francisco Bay Area. We hope you enjoyed the food. I want to thank Tony. Didn't Tony do a great job this year? And Matt. And I just want to thank everyone who helped the LGBTQ+. Happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Let's all raise a toast. Raise your glasses, everyone. And let's toast Tony and Matt. Thank you so much for for such a great event. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Feliz Navidad.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
So hey there, everybody. I am back from the LGBTQIA Christmas party, and it was phenomenal. You'll probably notice that I changed clothes from the earlier shots I made today, and that was because I didn't feel like wearing that blue shirt, and it was actually a little bit chilly, so I put on this nice maroon sweater, and I tell you what, by the time I got to the party, I realized that was a mistake. It was nice and toasty. It was a very beautiful day here, middle of December, and it was still just warm enough to where I really didn't need a sweater. But that's okay. I looked cute, or I hope so anyways. Well, so I wanted to take a minute and just get a little, emotional. I would do the heart symbol, but my hand's holding the camera, and talk about the community here. The LGBTQIA community here has grown so much, and there are so many absolutely amazing, wonderful people here. You guys have seen them all in the video by now, I'm sure. And it's the events that everybody puts together. It's that sense of community. People help each other. When somebody needs something, the community jumps in and helps them with what they need, and we take care of each other. So if you're a member of the LGBTQIA community and you're looking at the Ajijic area for possible snowbirding or relocation or a long vacation or whatever, you're safe here. It's a wonderful place, and I really want everybody to know that. And I got to give shout outs to Tony. That was an amazing party. You and Matt did a great job with that, and whoever else helped you with it, I don't know. And everybody who attended, it was so good to see so many of my friends and people that I've met over the years here, and some more recent, and some subscribers and people that we've actually helped to get here. And we love all of y'all, and I can't thank you enough for making this such an LGBTQIA friendly, positive place where we all feel safe and at home and loved. And with that, I will say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate, happy that. And we love you guys. And go find your truly remarkable life, because I know I have.